Hello everyone. Customer-wise data log from other user module will help user to hide data from other user in the sales order. In the industry, each salesperson handle different clients and create different sales orders. To hide data from other user, we can make use of this module. After installing this module, now let's get into the settings. In the user and companies, we have an access to set up the PIN. So once we have enabled this, user can see and pin option in each and every contacts. So here in this, now let's get into one of the customer or just creating a new customer. So while I'm creating the new customer here, I'm going to add a name of the customer, and we need to fill all the other informations over here. So once we have filled every informations, now you can see an option to add a pin. So here in this, I'm going to add a pin. So this is the pin which I have added. Now let's save this one. And while I'm getting back this to the same customer, this is the customer which I have created. Now it's asked for a pin. So here in this, you can see once we have entered the pin, then only we can able to get into the customer. Like the same way, this is the one which we have created before. And if I enter the wrong pin, and you can see that it will show as a warning like please enter a valid pin. So if we enter the correct pin, we can get into the customer in an easy way. Now it's in the command view, we can see the same in the list view as well. If you get into the list view, it asks for the same pin. Okay. Now let's create a new sales order by using this customer we have created. Now let's create a new customer, and here we need to add an customer name. Okay, this is the customer that I have created. So while I try to add a customer in the sales order, it asks for a pin. So now I'm entering the pin and I'm getting click on the OK. And here in this, now let's add a product. Okay, now after adding the product, now let's confirm this order. Okay, so now in this is order 26. Now if I get into the a sales order, if anyone tries to get into the sales order for the customer Dinesh, so it will ask for a pin. So now let's add a pin. So once you added the pin, it will get into the sales order. And in case if I added a wrong pin, so it shows as a warning. Okay, and like the same way it will works for a conman view and other views as well. So we can also track and a list of items that we have done, like incorrect pin logs. You can see all the incorrect pin logs over here, so you can see that. So in this, some the username and the log date and log time will be there, and also in which model they are trying to get in. So this is the model, and we can see the customer. So for which customer and which user will try to get into that order, like it will be for the contact, and this will be for contacts, and this will be for the sales order. So we can see the incorrect pin logs over here from the configuration part. So this is how it works. So this is how this so this is how it works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.